Guys, today we are making a classic Greek dish called Soutzoukakia. It looks like this, and it tastes like, oh, mmm, 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 mmm. Let's do this. Secret, all these oils, all that onion, all those spices, right into that tomato sauce. Now this is going against tradition, but I hate to waste a good spice mix. Okay, so when everything has been nice and blended and the tomato sauce is boiling just so with the meat inside, you are ready to plate. You can put all this on a bed of rice. Today we are using orzo. Soutzoukakia on orzo. Stiniyamas. A little tangy, a little sweet, earthy. The meat is just so. The orzo makes it complementary. Oh, that is a rich dish. Oh yeah. Again, if you love the people you're serving, by all means make them this. If you don't, it's delicious. I wouldn't blame you if you ate it all yourself. Classic.